Welcome to this true 3-bedroom expanded Balmoral model, located in the sought-after community of Cascades. Boasting a new roof, installed 2021, newer washer, Bosch dishwasher, refrigerator, updated hot water heater and accordion shutters. The expanded living room, den and patio overlook the stunning open vista of nature, with utmost privacy and no rear neighbors from the extended patio. The patio wraps the length of the back of the home with views of the tranquil backyard, with utmost privacy and no rear neighbors. Truly a sanctuary at its best. The second bedroom, second bath and third bedrooms are conveniently located at the front of the home. The eat-in kitchen is located between the front bedrooms and the family room. Featuring stainless steel appliances with a newer Bosch dishwasher and plenty of cabinet space and a large pantry. As you enter the family room, you can also access the patio through the sliding doors. The split bedroom layout has the main bedroom located off the main living area with a nice bay window for light. 2 large walk-in closets and a large main bathroom with double sinks, and a separate tub and shower areas. Cascades boasts a remodeled club, shows, pool, fitness center, tennis and more. The cafe offers breakfast and lunch. Cascades is a non-equity community, is like a 5-star resort, adjoining Westchester Golf Course. The clubhouse recently underwent an extensive renovation.